In this video, I'll show you how you can fix corrupted files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the CMD from down here, and you want to right click on it and run as an administrator. In here you want to type sfc /scan now and press enter. Now what this is going to do is it's going to scan your PC for any errors and corruptions. So simply you want to wait for this to be 100%, and after that it will tell you if you have any errors, and if you have any it will fix it. Once it's at 100 you can close it down, but while it's loading we're just gonna minimize it. After what you can do is search for this PC right here. Open up this PC, find the drive you want to do it on. You can also do it on both, but just select one of them, properties, tools, and in here you want to do the error checking by clicking here and saying yes with the administrator. From in here you can check for any errors, and you can do it on, if you have multiple drives as well, you can do it on this one as well. Now once you've done that, you have checked for any issues on your Windows PC, and I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.